Here's how to delete a TikTok story. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And let's get to your stories by tapping on profile at the bottom right. After you've done that, you can see at the very top is your profile picture. You can tap on it to get to your story. However, if you tap on the little plus, you'll be able to see it goes to add to story. And if you tap on where it says what's up, you can see it goes to your thoughts. Now, you keep in mind, you need to kind of tap on the profile picture here, and there you'll get to your story. From here at the bottom right, you'll either see a share icon or 3 dots. Either one, just tap on it. And now to delete this, you can tap on delete. However, I would highly recommend tapping on download first if you want a copy of this. Tap on the delete button though when you're ready, and then you can choose to either delete and re-edit or just delete. Now keep in mind, it might give you an error like this. For whatever reason, it's a bit buggy, so you might need to go in there and refresh everything, and you can see just like that, it is still in there, so I need to go through this process and delete it again. And just like that, finally, it is out of there, and you can see I no longer have a story.